Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable HVCI for Valorant. Alright, it is pretty easy to fix. First one here is just go ahead over to your search bar and type in run. Alright, now in here, just type in msinfo32. Once that's done, just turn on OK. Alright, after that, in this page right here, scroll all the way down until you find Hypervisor, which is virtualization. You should be able to see Hypervisor enabled right here in these tabs. Now, to be able to enable that, just go ahead over to your search bar again and type in device security. Now, once this one pops up, just click on it and this one will open. Now, what we're going to do is just go ahead over to core isolation and click on core isolation details. Click on it. And in here, as you can see, memory integrity, this one right here should be turned on. All right. Once that's done, go to your search bar and type in edit group policy. And once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it. And this window will open. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this one. Now in here, in these tabs right here, just go ahead and select administrative templates. Click on it. Now go to system. Double click on system. Now in here, you should be able to see device guard. All right. Double click on device guard. And as you can see here, virtualization, mine is turned off. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. Now make sure that it is set to enabled. And once done, hit apply, hit OK, close this one, restart your computer, launch Valorant again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.